Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be repairing this Dell 24EC24250 All-in-One computer that a client is having us repair. As you can see, the screen is pretty smashed up and can't be used at all, so let's power it down and get into the repair. We're going to start with using a pry tool to carefully separate the back panel from the computer. Next, we're going to remove the bottom bezel and the metal plate off of the motherboard. Now, we're going to disconnect all the cables running to the motherboard so we can remove it. To avoid damaging cables, it's very important to gently pry them out from the tabs at the edges and not to pull straight out, as that can break one of the small internal wires. There are 15 screws holding the frame to the LCD screen. 4 are in the middle of the frame and 11 around the sides. The one in the center top portion of the frame is located under the webcam, so you have to remove it to access the screw. Gently lift the top portion of the frame and pull down to remove it. Be careful not to catch the screen cables coming through the frame. Now, we disconnect the cables from the broken screen to transfer to the new one. To avoid damaging the cables, it's very important to gently pry them out from the tabs at the edges and not to pull straight out, as that can break one of the small internal wires. When you put the frame back on, make sure that the screen cables are coming out through the correct holes in the frame so they can plug into the proper ports in the motherboard. After that, we replace the screws on the frame and begin reconnecting all the cables to the motherboard. Then, all that's left to do is to replace the bottom bezel and to gently press the back panel back into place. This is how you repair a cracked screen on a Dell 24E EC24250 All-in-One computer. If you need to source a replacement screen, there will be a link down below. If you don't want to do this repair yourself, you can reach out to us on our website over at lcdguarantee.com or our email at info@lcdguarantee.com, where we offer a mail-in repair service. Thanks for watching.